Greetings, Dumelanto Valeria Locha. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Sepedi lesson with Sepedi. We are doing the part 2 of Mašala. You guys, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Like, comment, and share. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So, as we all know, Mašala ke mantswe ao a šalago bakeng sa leina, right? So we have different types of pronouns, and in our first video we did leshala. So in this video we are going to do Mašalašupi, which is the demonstrative pronoun. We're going to be doing our reference based on the noun prefix class table. So in Sepedi, we have different demonstrative pronouns for different words depending on the prefix of the word. Some of the demonstrative pronouns are similar, but then it depends on the context or on the word you said before, so that you'll be able to know which demonstrative pronoun belongs to which word. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. So if the word that starts with more, with the prefix more, however it refers to a people, it means the demonstrative pronoun for it is yo. Motho yo. If that person is just next to you, you can say motho yo. If that person is far, you can say motho yola. Also, if that person is very far, you can drag it and say motho yola. So it's motho yo, motho yola. Batho ba, batho bao, batho bale. Mohlare wo, mohlare wola. Mehlare ye, mehlare yeo, mehlare yela. Leleme le, leleme leo, leleme lela. Sediba se, sediba seo, sediba sela. Didiba tše, didiba tšeo, didiba tšela. Ntlo ye, ntlo yeo, ntlo yela. Dintlo tše, dintlo tšeo, dintlo tšela. Bogobe bjo, bogobe bjo, bogobe bjola. Magobe a, magobe ao, magobe ale. Felo fa, felo fao, felo fale. So if I am referring to me, I can say now, now. If you want to say here I am coming, ke nna o ke tla, ke nna o ke tla. If it's us, you can say rena ba, or you can say ke rena ba o re tla. Here we are coming. If you want to say you can say, if you want to demonstrate you can say wena o, wena o. Or it's this one, ke o. Then if you want to say, is that you coming this way? Ke wena o. Then we have lena, which is you, two of you, two or more. Ke lena ba, ke lena ba. If you want to say here, if you want to say, are you the one coming? Ke lena ba o letlang. So what happens if you put the adverb into the context? If you want to say, do the demonstrative pronouns, however, if it has the adverb in the context, it changes. So instead of saying motho wo, you can say motho shu. Motho shuo, motho shule, batho shiba, batho shebao, batho shebale. Mohlareshu, mohlareshuo, mohlareshuile. Mehlareshi, mehlareshio, mehlareshile. Lisukashile, lisukashilio, lisukashilile. Masukashia, masukashiao, shiale. Sidibasisi, sidibasisio, sidibasisile. Didibashidi, didibashidio, didibashidile. Or you can say didibashiji, shijiwo, shijile. Nkushi, nkushiwo, shile. Dinkushiji, same as didiwa. You can say dinkushiji or shidi, shijiwo or shidiwo, shijile, shidile. Bogobe shibu, bogobe shibule, shibuo, bogobe shibule. Magobe shia, magobe shiao, magobe shiale. We have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Thank you for watching.